Today I'm reading a story called Ocean Life. Splash! Our big blue oceans are full of life. Dive in and take a look. Whales are the giants of the ocean. A blue whale can grow to be as long as 2 school buses. Whales breathe air through a blowhole in their heads. Dolphins are smart and playful. They communicate with each other by making sounds. Dolphins travel in groups called pods. Sharks have lots of sharp teeth. If they lose a tooth, another one grows in. A baby shark is called a pup. An octopus has 8 arms. Can you count them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have you ever held a seashell? They come in lots of shapes, colors, and sizes. You can find them at the beach. What's that? It's a seahorse. It can quickly change colors to blend in with the background, helping it hide from enemies. Crabs and lobsters have hard shells on the outside of their bodies. Pinch, pinch. Sea turtles have flippers to help them swim. They live mostly in water, but lay their eggs in the sand on the beach. Fish have a tail and fins to help them swim. Most fish are covered with scales, which protects their body and helps them move. Jellyfish have long tentacles, which they use to capture food and sting their enemies. Ouch! Never touch a jellyfish. What is your favorite animal in the ocean? Is it a shark? Is it a jellyfish? Could it be a turtle or a lobster? Is it a crab or a starfish? Is it a seahorse, an octopus, or a dolphin? The end. That's the end of our book.